Rianirira ria mathogora meru ma maguta ni undu ukoretwo ukihahura mukenya o mweri ica ikuhio rianirira rigiuka na nditi makiria thogora uyu githie na mbere kurika mihuko ya Kenya o makiria. Ona kuri uguo rianirira ria umuthi rikoneka kurehe ithomura-ini kuri Beturu iria iguite na ciringi ithano, ndithuru ikagwo na ciringi ithano, guku namo maguta ma tawa makigwa na ciringi mugwanja na thendi 28. Uguo ni kuuga kwambiriria thaa thita cia utuku wa umuthi guku Nairobi Beturu gikorwo kiendio na ciringi 129 na thendi 72, ndithuru ciringi 110 na thendi 60, namo maguta ma tawa mendio na ciringi 103 na thendi 54.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Wongerereku wa thogora wa maguta niguo cungiririe kamiti ya mbunge igie kigiina guthuguda mutaratara wa kigiina uria wendekithitie thogora wa maguta kunyihio na ciringi 12 kwitukira kunyihia igoti ria VAT undu mwe na igoti ria uthii wa nambere riria rirengagwo hari maguta.
The first recommendation we have made is reduction of VAT by 50% from the current 8% to 4%. The second recommendation, Honorable Speaker, is also reduction of the Petroleum Development Levy, a freeze on inflation adjustment on any fuel and fuel products.
Jorotano na thirikari nene iguru rigie maguta ikoneka gwithegea ona makiria. Wanga akirekeria minister wa kigiina ukuria tani murigo kuona ministry yake yari na ciringi bilioni 24 cia guteithiriria unyihia wa thogora wa maguta ende kigiina giki kierekerio tabarĩra-inĩ ingĩ cia thirikari.
The Ministry of Petroleum gave us evidence that they had written to the Treasury to request for money for stabilization. That 1.6 billion out of that money had been used for stabilization, 2.2 billion had been given to the Ministry of Energy, and 18.1 billion had been given for purposes of infrastructure.
Where did this money go to? We need to know the issues of accountability, Mr. Speaker, so that the CS or that particular person who was responsible, Mr. Speaker, should be held responsible.
Jorotano no yonekire gatagati ka ambunge amwe ao makioneka kurota aria angi aria manyitire mbaru igoti ria VAT kuongererwo nginyagia gicunjĩ kĩa 8 harĩ 100 riu ambunge makiguithaniria gwithemana na mitaratara o yothe ya kuongerera magoti hari mukenya.
This house cannot sit here and tell us we can only reduce 12 shillings. No way.
Hadu-ini ya Kameme TV retora kwa ni Beturu wa Mwangi.